We're going to start off by learning the name of the notes in the first string. So we're going to go all the way down to the highest pitch. Remember, this was C, open C. Now we're going to start fretting notes. So that means we're going to go to C. The next note is going to be a D. And we're going to place D by using finger number 1, fret number 2. And that's going to be a D. C, D. The next note in the scale goes to an E. So we're going to use our third finger. We're going to go 2 frets down. That means we're going to be in fret number 4. So we're going to use finger number 3, fret number 4, string number 1. That's going to be E. E. We have D. And we have C. We're going to learn one more, which is F. It's going to be right next to E, right here, a little half step. So we're going to be in fret number 5, string number 1, finger number 4. That's going to be F. E. And then we have D. We have C. C, D, E, F, F. And then we have E, D, and C. Okay, we're going to try to keep our hand or thumb right in the middle of the neck, right here, right in the middle. We're going to keep it nice and flexible. We're not going to try to put our thumb over the strings. We're going to keep it right in the center. We're going to relax our hand to play the notes. And then when we're pressing the notes, we're going to try to make sure that we're using the tip of the finger. That's going to help us when we're pressing. It's going to give us a nice clean sound, right? We're going to use the tip of the finger. We're going to have our hand nice and relaxed as we play. Let's try that one more time. We're going to give each note, we're going to hit each note 4 times, and we're going to start off with C. Go ahead and practice that a few times until you feel nice and comfortable playing each one of the notes of the first string.